In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use generative AI. Grammarly Go, 5 minutes. Grammarly Go is Grammarly's built-in generative AI that helps you draft, rewrite, and refine text right where you already write. I'll walk you through using it in a document and show you how it works in Gmail so you can go from idea to polished writing faster and with more confidence. Start by opening a document in your browser where Grammarly is active, like a Google Doc or another supported editor. Make sure Grammarly is enabled in your browser and you're signed in. If you don't see Grammarly's sidebar, refresh the page and click the Grammarly icon so it loads alongside your document. Having a paragraph or a blank page ready is perfect. Grammarly Go can start from scratch or transform what you've already written. Next, open Grammarly Go. Look for the Grammarly sidebar and select the AI option, often marked with a sparkle icon or labeled Grammarly Go. If a prompt box appears, that's your workspace. You can type what you want the AI to do or choose a preset action. If you're new to it, presets are a great way to see how it behaves without overthinking your first prompt. Now, choose what you want the AI to do. You can ask it to rewrite for clarity, shorten or expand text, adjust tone to friendly, professional, or confident, or even generate new content like an outline, introduction, or email draft. Be specific about your goal, audience, and length. For example, rewrite this paragraph to be concise and professional for a client update will get better results than a vague make it better. If you're generating from scratch, include a sentence or two of context so the output aligns with your intent. Grammarly Go will produce a draft or a rewritten version for you to review. Read it closely and decide whether to accept, replace, or refine. You can ask it to make further tweaks, shorter, more formal, clearer examples until it fits your voice. Always check for accuracy, names, dates, and any sensitive details before you insert the text into your document. Think of the AI as a strong first pass that you guide with feedback. You can also use Grammarly Go in Gmail. Open a new message or a reply, click the Grammarly icon, and choose a prompt like draft a reply, summarize, or improve tone. Set the tone you want, then insert the result and personalize it with specifics before sending. A quick scan for accuracy and clarity goes a long way. That's it. Open a document, launch Grammarly Go, choose what you need, review and refine, and use the same workflow in Gmail. With a few clear prompts, you'll turn rough ideas into polished writing in minutes.